Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the connection safe and accessible. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. This prevents sparks. Once done, mix baking soda with water to neutralize acid. This works because baking soda raises pH and stops corrosion chemically. Make sure to keep metal tools off both terminals simultaneously. Use gloves and eye protection. Battery acid will sting and damage clothing. Gather a wire brush, small plastic brush, rags, and a bowl of the baking soda solution before you move into active cleaning. Now you actively remove the corrosion using both chemistry and mechanics. Apply the baking soda paste to the terminals and cable clamps. Letting it sit dissolves crusty deposits because the paste reacts with sulfate salts. Next, scrub. Use the wire brush on metal surfaces and a plastic brush in tight spots to avoid shorting. Once the white and blue-green deposits loosen, rinse carefully with a small amount of water and immediately dry with rags. Moisture promotes more corrosion. Make sure clamps look solid. Finish by restoring connections in the right order and sealing out future corrosion. Reinstall the positive terminal first, then the negative. Tighten until snug to ensure good contact without deforming posts. Immediately coat both terminal posts and clamp interiors with dielectric grease or a thin layer of petroleum jelly. This prevents oxygen and moisture from reaching metal and forming new corrosion. If corrosion comes back fast, test the battery and alternator for overcharging or leakage and replace any pitted clamps. That one step solves recurring problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.